Good morning, students. So, yesterday we are discussing about differentiation CET JEE questions up to 45 questions already over. Now, today we will continue based on differentiation. Now, observe it here. Question number 46. What is that? The derivative of the function, one function with respect to another function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. Derivative of cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 with respect to cos inverse x. So how to solve? Take one by one function. Let u is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 and v is equal to cos inverse of x. Okay. Now to find the derivative of this with respect to this, denoted by du by dv. So du by dv formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? du by dx divided by dv by dx. ಹೌದಾ? So du by dx divided by dv by dx. That is the formula. ಹೌದಾ? Now here then we have to differentiate du by dx. So du by dx ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Again here to convert 2x square minus 1 in terms of cos, so that by substituting put x is equal to cos theta. Take x is equal to cos theta. See what happened? Then u is equal to cos inverse of 2x square cos square theta minus 1. So that u is equal to cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1 using multiple angle cos 2 theta, that is u is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Then to find dv by dx, now also v is equal to cos inverse of, by taking x value cos theta, right? So that v is equal to theta. Now u is a function of theta, v is a function of theta. Then du by dv is equal to, using parametric, instead of x here theta, du by d theta divided by dv by d theta. So since u is equal to 2 theta, derivative of 2 theta with respect to theta is 2. Then v is equal to theta, derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. So that is du by dv is equal to 2. So the derivative of first function with respect to second function answer is 2. That is C is the option. Option C is right answer. Okay. Next question number 47. If cos y is equal to x cos of a plus y, then dy by dx equal to, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y. Then to find dy by dx. Okay. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ? cos y is equal to x cos of a plus y ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. So using this, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ equation 1 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Therefore using this x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? To find x, x is equal to cos y divided by cos of a plus y. Correct? Then here it is implicit function, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Derivative of cos y is minus sin y into dy by dx is equal to, here product of two functions. First function as it is, derivative of cos is minus sin of a plus y into derivative of a plus y. Derivative of a constant 0. Derivative of y is dy by dx. First function into derivative of second function plus second function as it is cos of a plus y into derivative of first function is 1. Okay. Then simplify, implies minus sin y into dy by dx is equal to minus x sin of a plus y into dy by dx plus cos of a plus y. Now rearrange. Take dy by dx common, implies that minus into minus plus, so that x sin of a plus y minus sin y into dy by dx is equal to cos of a plus y. cos of a plus 1. Okay. Now, therefore, dy by dx is equal to, cos of a plus y divided by x into sin of a plus y minus sin y. Okay. Now further simplify, cos of a plus y divided by the value of x is, x value ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x is equal to cos y divided by cos of a plus y ತಾನೆ. So I value ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, cos y divided by cos of a plus y, cos y divided by cos of a plus y into sin of a plus y minus sin y. Okay, so that is cos of a plus y divided by, in the denominator take the LCM. LCM ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin of a plus y into cos y minus cos of a plus y into sin y divided by cos of a plus y. If you take multiplication, that term goes to numerator, that is cos square a plus y divided by, here sin of a plus y denoted by a and y is equal to b. This is a and that is b. It is in the form sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. You know the formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is equal to sin of a minus b. A value a plus y minus b value is y. Correct? So plus y minus y cancel, so that dy by dx is equal to cos square a plus y divided by sin a. Is there option? No option is ಏನಿದು, cos square a plus y divided by sin a. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? Option B is the right option. That question was asked CET 2018. Okay. Next question number 48. If f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y and f of 5 is equal to 2, then f dash 0 is 3 to find f dash 5. Now here given f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, f of 5 is 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ f of 5 ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, f of 5 ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, put y is equal to 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, see what happen, f of x plus 5 is equal to f of x into f of 5. Correct? So that is f of x plus 5 is equal to f of 5 value is 2 times f of x. Now find f dash 5. So that differentiate. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So derivative of f of x plus 5 is f dash x plus 5 is equal to 2. Derivative of f of x is f dash x. Now the question to find f dash 5. So eliminate x. So that put x is equal to 0. X value 0 ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? f dash 0 plus 5 is equal to 2 times f dash 0. Okay. So this implies f dash 5 is equal to 2. F dash 0 value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ f dash 0 value? F dash 0 value is f dash 0 value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? f dash 0 is equal to 3. f dash 0 value 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 2 into f dash 0 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So that f dash 5 is equal to 6. Is there option? Yes, option C is the right option. Okay. Question number 49. This is also standard result. Just you remember that formula. Y is equal to x plus under root 1 plus x square whole power n. Then 1 plus x square into d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx is equal to, remember, that is n square y. ಇದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ 1 plus x square d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx value is n square y. That is option A is the right answer. ಇವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 50th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, f of x be a polynomial function of second degree if f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 and a, b, c are in GP, then f dash a, f dash b, f dash c are in AP, GP, HP, none of these. So in kutidana f of x be a polynomial function of second degree. Second degree irtakana one polynomial function tolon. Say second degree, say ax square plus bx plus c. It is a polynomial function of second degree. Okay, take general, say ax square plus bx plus c. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1 is equal to ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ minus 1. ಪುಟ್ x equal to 1, x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, a plus b plus c is equal to, put x equal to minus 1, minus 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a, x value minus 1 square is 1 plus b, x value is minus 1, that is minus b, correct, plus c. Simplify, a plus b plus c is equal to a minus b plus c. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಬಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ 2b is equal to 0. Therefore b is equal to 0. b value 0 ಆಯ್ತು. Therefore f of x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ax square plus b value 0 plus c. Then its derivative, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, f dash x is equal to a constant, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of c is constant 0, that is 2ax, f dash x. Now here then the question is to find where then f dash a, f dash b, f dash c are in. Now first to find f dash a, put x equal to a, that is 2a, x value a, correct, so that is equal to 2a square. f dash a is 2a square. What about f dash b ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, put x equal to b ಹಾಕಿ, x ದಲ್ಲಿ b ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2ab, and f dash c ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, put x is c, 2ac. We got f dash a, f dash b, f dash c. ಸಿಕ್ವಾ, since ಅವೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, since a b c are in ap, a b c are in arithmetic progression, that is given. ಹೌದಾ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಈಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ 2a, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ 2a, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ 2a ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಪಿ. 2a ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 2a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, here 2ab, here 2ac are in ap, correct, but 2a square is the value of f dash, 2ab is the value of f dash, 2ac is the value of f dash, are in ap, so that f dash a, f dash b, f dash c are in ಏನಾಯ್ತು ap. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ap, f dash a, f dash b, f dash c are in arithmetic progression, that is option A is the right answer. Okay, next question number 51. If x is equal to e power y plus e power y plus e power y plus and so on infinity, then dy by dx is equal to. Now here the given expression can be written as x is equal to e power y plus x ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So e power y plus e power y plus e power y plus and so on. This is nothing but given data x, correct? So x is equal to e power y plus x. Then to find dy by dx, taking log on both sides, log x is equal to log of e power y plus x, that is log x is equal to log x is equal to laws of logarithm. Log of e power y plus x is y plus x into log e. Okay, so or log x is equal to y plus x. Okay, then differentiate. Derivative of log x is 1 by x is equal to derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Derivative of x is 1. So cross multiply. So dy by dx is equal to, rearrange dy by dx equal to 1 by x minus 1, right? That is LCM is x, 1 minus x divided by x. So that dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x divided by x. So option C is the right option. Okay, 50. Let f be a differentiable for all x. F of 1 is equal to minus 2. F of 1 is equal to minus 2. Matten kottidana, and f dash x more than or equal to 2 for all x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 6. Okay, then f dash 6 more than or equal to 8, f dash 6 less than 8, f of 6 less than 5, f of 6 equal to 5. Now here apply Lagrange's mean value theorem. Apply mean value theorem. So ಎರಡು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಒಂದು ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, ಬಟ್ JEE ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ KCET ಯಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ divided by b minus e. Now this is the statement of mean value theorem. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, f of b minus f of a and b are the intervals. This is a value, that is b value. So here f of b value is there 6 minus f of a value 1 divided by b minus a, 6 minus 1 is equal to f dash c. Okay, f dash c. But f dash x is more than or equal to 2. Instead of x here c, that is more than or equal to 2. Okay, and then simplify. This implies f of 6 minus f of 1 divided by 5 more than or equal to 2. Cross multiply. F of 6 minus f of 1 more than or equal to 2 into 5, 10. Now the question is to find f of 6. So f of 6 more than or equal to 10 minus f of 1 goes to right side plus f of 1 more than or equal to 10 plus f of 1 value given minus 2. So that is f of 6 more than or equal to 10 minus 2, 8. So f of 6 more than or equal to 8. Option is nodi, f of 6 more than or equal to 8, that is option A is the right answer. Okay, next problem. Y is equal to sec of tan inverse x, then dy by dx at x equal to 1. So given y is equal to sec of tan inverse x. Now to find dy by dx. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸೆಕ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1. ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ adjacent. Now here let ABC be a right angle triangle. Angle C is x, angle B is 90 degree, opposite by adjacent, opposite is x, adjacent is 1. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypot is root of 1 plus x square. Correct? ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ tan ಅನ್ನ sec ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore sec theta is equal to definition of sec hypotenuse by adjacent. What is hypot? Under root of 1 plus x square. Adjacent is 1. Okay, or theta is equal to sec inverse of under root of 1 plus x square. But the value of theta is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is equal to sec inverse of root 1 plus x square. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y is equal to sec of tan inverse x value sec inverse of under root of 1 plus x square. That is y is equal to sec of sec inverse eliminated, that is root 1 plus x square. Then differentiate dy by dx equal to derivative of root 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square into derivative of x square is 2x. 2 cancel. Therefore dy by dx at x is equal to yesterday 1. So x value 1 by under root 1 plus x square. 1 square is 1. That is 1 by root 2. Is there option? Option is there nodi? Yes. Option A is the right option. Okay. Question number 54. G is the inverse of a function f. And f inverse of f dash x equal to 1 by 1 plus x power 5. Then g dash x is equal to g is the inverse of function x means both f and g are inverses of each other. Now here f of x and g of x are inverses of each other. Remember, g is the inverse function of f, that is nothing but both f and g are inverse of each other. Now consider then f composition g of x is equal to x, because f is the inverse of g and g is inverse of f. Therefore its composition is f composition g of x is x. Now that is the meaning of f component g of x is g of f of x is equal to x. Now to find g dash x, so that differentiate derivative of g dash of f of x into derivative of f of x is f dash x is equal to derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So g dash of f of x, g dash of f of x is equal to 1 by f dash x. Okay, so that is g dash of f of x is equal to 1 by f dash x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆ f dash x value 1 divided by 1 plus x power 5 ತಾನೆ. So that is 1 plus x power 5. So this is called as equation 2. Okay, now let f of x is one value ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let f of x is equal to say 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು x is equal to f inverse of y, isn't it? X is equal to f inverse of y. So since g is inverse of f or f is inverse of g, then we can write g of y, right? Therefore equation 2 gives g dash f of x taking 1 is equal to 1 plus x value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ g of y whole power 5. ನೋಡ್ರಿ g dash y is equal to 1 plus g of y whole power 5. 1 plus g of y whole power 5. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ g dash x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, replace y by x, 1 plus g of x whole power 5. Since f and g are inverse functions, then g dash x is equal to 1 plus g of x whole power 5, as well as g dash y is equal to 1 plus g of y whole power 5 is there. G dash x value 1 plus g of x whole power 5. That is option B is the right option. Okay. Question number 55. X belongs to interval, open interval 0, 1 by 4. Then the derivative of tan inverse of 6x root x by 1 minus 9x cube is root x. Derivative of this is root x into g of x. Derivative of tan inverse of this is root x into g of x. Then g of x is equal to andre ee tara ide question hegide idu derivative of tan inverse of 6x into root x by 1 minus 9x cube is equal to root x into g of x. ಇದರ derivative ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ root x into some function. What is the value of g of x? G of x value ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So now we are given data, let y is equal to tan inverse of 6x into root x by 1 minus 9x cube. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ tan inverse ಇದನ್ನ tan ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. How to convert it? That is equal to tan inverse of 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. X root x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X root x is nothing but x power 3 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? X root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. X power 1 into x power 1 by 2, x power 3 by 2. Correct? Divided by 1 minus 9x cube. 9x cube can be written as 3x power 3 by 2 whole power 2. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 square 9. X power 3 by 2 whole power 2. Laws of indices 2 to cancel. X cube. 3 square 9. X power 3 by 2 whole power 2 is x cube. Correct? So that is y is equal to ignore. Now here 3x cube by x power 3 by 2 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ x ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. So ಇದು ಕೂಡ x ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? It is in the form tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ? But you know the properties of inverse trigonometry. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square formula 2 times tan inverse of x. Remember that formula. So tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 times tan inverse x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದು? 2 times tan inverse of x. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? X value is 3x power 3 by 2. We got y value. Okay. Now the question is to find dy by dx. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. dy by dx is equal to 2 constant. Put 3x power 3 by 2, call it as x. It is in the form tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus capital X square into derivative of capital X. 3 constant. Derivative of x power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. So that is 2 by 1 plus 3 square 9. 2 2 cancel. X power 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2. So that is equal to 2 2 cancel. Okay. Now here ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 3 into 3 9 by 1 plus 9x cube 1 plus 9x cube into x power 1 by 2 is root x. ಏನಿದೆ question? So dy by derivative of this is root x into g of x. So this is nothing but root x into g of x. Therefore g of x value, g of x is equal to 9 divided by 1 plus 9x cube. Option ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. G of x value 9 divided by 1 plus ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 9 divided by 1 plus 9x cube. So option B is the right option. Okay. Then question number 56. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3 minus x into root x by 1 minus 3x. Then dy by dx is equal to. ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. So y is equal to tan inverse of 3 minus x into root x by 1 minus 3x. Now here by substituting take x is equal to or root x is equal to tan theta ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ or x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು tan square theta. Put root x is tan theta, x is equal to tan square theta. So y is equal to tan inverse of 3 minus x value tan square theta, root x value is tan theta, right, divided by 1 minus 3 x value tan square theta. Okay, so then further simplify. So y is equal to tan inverse of, remove that bracket, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, multiple angle formula tan 3 theta. ಹೌದಾ? So y is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta is 3 theta. So y is equal to 3. Theta value root x equal to tan theta. Theta value is tan inverse root x. Correct? Tan inverse of root x. Then differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 3 constant derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus capital X square, capital X value root x power 2 into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Therefore, so dy by dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, that is 3 by 2 root x into 1 plus root x square is x. So 3 by 2 root x into 1 plus x. ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದು. So 3 by 2 root x into 1 plus x. Option B is the right option. Okay. Y is equal to tan inverse of 6x minus 8x cube by 1 minus 12x square. Then dy by dx is equal to, again convert it, y is equal to tan inverse of 6x can be written as 3 into 2x, right, minus 8x cube can be written as 2x power 3 by 1 minus 12x square can be written as 3 into 2x to the power of 2. Nodri 12x square agutta, 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12x square. Now put 2x is equal to tan theta. By substituting 2x is equal to tan theta. Then y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y is equal to tan inverse of 3, 2x value tan theta minus 2x whole power 3 is tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3, 2x whole power 2 is tan square theta. ಹೌದಾ? So that is tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan 3 theta. Therefore y is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta is 3 theta, that is 3. Theta value ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, theta value 2x equal to tan theta, so that theta value is tan inverse of 2x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ theta value ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 2x is equal to tan theta ಆದ್ರೆ implies theta is equal to tan inverse of 2x. Okay. Now here 3, theta value tan inverse of 2x, then differentiate. dy by dx is equal to 3 constant. Put 2x is capital X, derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus capital X square into derivative of capital X square is derivative of 2x is 2. So that is 3 into 2. How much? 6 divided by 1 plus 4x square. So dy by dx is equal to 6 by 1 plus 4x square. Yaudi the option no. 6 by 1 plus 4x square. Option D is the right answer. If y is equal to 7 to the power of log tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square to the base 7 plus e power log of sine inverse x plus sec inverse of 1 by x, then dy by dx is equal to, now here y is equal to 7 power log tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus e power log of sine inverse x plus sec inverse of 1 by x is equal to properties of inverse trigonometry cos inverse x. So y is equal to, you know that e power or a power 7 power log of f of x, this is f of x, a power log f of x or e power log f of x is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Correct? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus e power log sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by. That is y is equal to, but tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is standard result. Properties of inverse trigonometry, that is 2 tan inverse x plus e power log f of x is equal to f of x. Remember, e power log of any function is equal to any function f of x. Okay, so e power log f of x is pi by 2. Then differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 2 constant derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square derivative of pi by 2 constant 0, that is 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So dy by x equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Option A is the right option. Next, problem number 59. If 3x square plus 2xy plus 6y square is equal to 6, then dy by dx at 1 comma 1. Clearly it is implicit function. Now differentiate derivative of 3x square is 6x plus 2 derivative of xy, x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 6y square is 12y into dy by dx derivative of 6 is 0. So 6x plus 2x dy by dx plus 2y plus 12y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Take dy by dx common. So 2x plus 12y into dy by dx is equal to, remaining two term goes to right side, minus 6x minus 2y or minus of 6 plus 2y. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus of 6x plus 2y divided by 2x plus 12y. Now the question, to find dy by dx at the point 1 comma 1. Put x is 1, y is 1, minus of 6 plus 2, x1, y1 by 2 plus 12. So minus 8 divided by 12 plus 2, 14. So minus 4 by 7. So minus 4 by 7. dy by dx at x equal at the point 1 comma 1 is minus 4 by 7 is there. So option D, this is minus 4 by 7. Option D is the right option. Problem number 60. If y is equal to or sec inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, sorry, 1 minus y is equal to a, then dy by dx equal to. Now put that value, call it as capital X. It is in the form sec inverse of x equal to a. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus y is equal to sec a. Right? Then differentiate. It is in the form u by v. Apply quotient rule. So denominator as it is, derivative of numerator is 1 minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator minus dy by dx divided by denominator square is equal to derivative of sec a, constant 0. So cross multiply 1 minus y minus into minus plus 1 plus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. So there implies 1 plus x into dy by dx is equal to, that term goes to right side, 1 minus y, that is minus of 1 minus y. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 minus y by 1 plus x, or minus of 1 minus y is nothing but y minus 1 by 1 plus x. Y minus 1 by 1 plus x is there. Option nodi idena. Y minus 1 by 1 plus x or x plus 1, that is option B is the right option. Okay. So this completes differentiation. So your 60 questions. Now remaining questions, try yourself, refer CET book and try yourself. Okay. Thank you.